A flock of sociable weavers are getting ready to breed. The Caracal's fine-tuned senses are fired up. While humans only have 6 ear muscles, each Caracal ear is controlled by 20 separate muscles, which move and tilt the ears independently. 3 main groups of muscles work separately. The superior raises the ear. The posterior moves the ear outwards and back. And the cervical lowers the ear downwards. Large feline satellite dishes capture sound waves and direct them into the ear canal. No footfall goes unheard. Its ear canals are proportionally longer than those of humans and dogs and are far more sensitive to sound. She has to rely on camouflage and cover to get as close as possible. And a silent ambush is key. The Caracal's feet are designed for a surprise attack. The fur between her foot pads consists of stiff hairs, providing a cushioned and silent stalk. This allows her to get within a few feet of prey before triggering the alarm. She's off. The Caracal's powerful hind legs and fine-tuned reflexes make her agile. The weaver's fast, but she's locked her sights on it. The powerful slap has injured the weaver. But meals don't come that easy in the desert. In this game of cat and bird, there can only be one winner. It's over in seconds. A few lucky weavers have escaped her grasp, for now. Thanks to her streamlined speed and agility, she can finally enjoy a meal.